how to download YouTube videos in laptop or PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download YouTube videos in laptop or PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply type in youtube.com and simply search for it. And now here, once you are on the official website of the YouTube, simply log in using your account and once logged in, you can simply search for the video that you want to download. So here, let's say I want to download the videos on the topic how to download YouTube videos in laptop or PC. So here, let me clear up one thing. So in YouTube, all videos are not downloadable. So here, if some videos are downloadable, then you can simply click on the three dot beside the video and there you can see the download button. So here, if you find download button, then you can simply click on it. And here from the pop-up menu, here you have to simply select the quality standard. And here once you have select the quality, you can simply click on download to download the videos. But remember, you can't download the videos outside the YouTube. So here, if you have downloaded the video, then you can watch it under the downloads folder. And that's it. That's how you can download YouTube videos in laptop and PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.